Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to accurately fill out an affidavit form for university submission. You'll need to gather some basic personal information and understand the form's purpose first. Affidavits are critical for many university processes, from confirming residency to declaring financial support. Taking your time now ensures a smooth process later. Before writing anything, make sure you have all your personal details perfectly aligned with your university records. Your full legal name, student ID, and current address are essential. Also, confirm the affidavit's specific purpose. This ensures you include the correct information. Some affidavits require additional documents like bank statements or utility bills, so gather those too. Begin by accurately entering your full legal name, address, and contact details in the designated declarant section. Next, focus on the core statement. This is where you clearly outline the facts you are attesting to. Be precise and avoid jargon. For instance, if declaring residency, list specific dates like from September 1, 2023 to May 31, 2024, for clarity. It's crucial to sign the affidavit in front of a notary public. Do not sign it beforehand. The notary will verify your identity and witness your signature, then apply their official seal. Remember to bring a valid government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license or passport, to your appointment. This step legalizes your declaration, making it official for university use. Once your affidavit is fully completed and notarized, submit it to the exact university department specified in their instructions. It is always wise to keep a copy for your own records, either a photocopy or a digital scan. Finally, perform a quick double-check of all the information, ensuring every field is accurate and complete before sending it off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.